Well, welcome to Gardeners Cottage in Blakeney on the North Norfolk coast. I'm going to give you a little guided tour of the inside of this cottage and show you the facilities that are available if you choose to rent with us and come and have your vacation in Blakeney. Come through the entrance door into a corridor passage with the stairs going up to your left for the first floor, but let's concentrate on the ground floor first off. To your left is what we call the snug. Used to be the lounge before we converted the kitchen into a sort of living kitchen. But you've got seating in here for up to 10 people, 2, 3 and 4 seater sofas, TV with internet and a DVD player, log burner, selection of books and a smaller TV with a coffee table. Really nice and easy to warm this room on winter's evenings, but in spring and summer it just floods with light going out onto the garden. It gives you the views looking back over what is quite a private garden area with patio set for guests to use here at Gardener's Cottage. And this gets the morning sun, which rises just behind this little hedge and follows its way round towards the west, right across the back of this south-facing garden. And you get sun in this room right the way through. I'm going to make my way through into the kitchen dining room, which is the principal entertaining space here at Gardeners. This is a fantastic big space. A absolutely enormous central island unit with double butler's sink, loads of storage with pans, knives, forks, everything that you could want for your self-catering holiday here in Norfolk. A big 4-oven Aga with twin hobs, 4 ovens including roasting, baking, simmering and warming. We've got storage here again and a large Smeg fridge freezer. In addition to that, you've also got the wine refrigerator here, which guests tend to use if they're having large deliveries of food during a long stay. This is a beautiful social entertaining space. Large French windows overlooking that south-facing garden we've already talked about. We've got kettles as well as the Aga kettle, electric kettle, toasters. Dishwasher is plumbed into that central island unit, and this huge, enormous seats 12 farmhouse planked table for entertaining at. These French doors give you access directly out into the garden area. Further seating area, a collection of Coronation mugs as it's situated on Coronation Lane. Behind this freestanding unit is a 50-inch TV, which you can close off when not in use. The vintage china that we've kitted out Gardener's Cottage with is obviously for use by the guests. All we ask is that you don't dishwash some of the older pieces, particularly if there's any gilt, but do feel free to entertain your guests and family using every facility that we've made available for you here. Little courtyard on the back of the cottage. Now we're going to make our way around, show you some of the bedrooms here, but this is a lovely shaded area, particularly in heat waves. It does get the evening sun this, but it's also got outside lighting, so opportunity there in high summer to extend the evening's entertaining space out onto the courtyard. Very nice place to sit. I used to love that on a late summer's evening when you just need somewhere cool. So we've gone round in a circle here. On the back wall we've got loads of storage. There's a pantry there. That's the housekeeper's cupboard, which is usually locked, but in these you've got additional storage. Let me just open and show you in here. We've provided 4 fitted picnic hampers for guests to use if you're going out on picnics during the day. We're dog friendly, so there's metal bowls available as well. And let's make our way now. If I just scan round to the right, you'll see, going back to the front door, but we're going to make our way through here and show you the 2 downstairs bedrooms. This is the first, lovely light bedroom, dual aspect. There's a TV in that cabinet in the corner and 2 lazy boy armchairs. I say lazy boy, they're not recliners, period, beautifully upholstered armchairs. If you want to get away and watch a TV program, then that gives you the opportunity to do so in this room as well as the TV in the snug, and the main TV in the kitchen. This has patio doors opening onto the courtyard, wardrobe, twin bedside lamps, and a beautiful king-size bed. Adjacent to the entrance to that bedroom is the main downstairs family bathroom and toilet. High level WC, wash basin, and a bath with a shower attachment over it, but not to be used as a walk-in shower. There are 3 additional showers in this house. Now if I do a 180 and let's go into the 4-poster bedroom. Again, downstairs bedroom, flat access off the rest of the house, a beautiful period carved king-size bed, twin bedsides, and this has got a ensuite toilet, bath and shower. So wash basin, low level toilet, heated shower rail, walk-in large shower cubicle, and a rather beautiful period pedestal bath with again shower attachments. This is all downstairs, remember. TV in the corner. A little awkward to watch that TV with the 4-poster bed, to be honest, but people manage. And a fitted wardrobe. It's actually a bureau, that. Top drawers, beautiful piece of antique furniture. Right, I'm going to make my way upstairs now, so let's make our way back through the hallway and I'll meet you at the top of the stairs. So here we are, quite an open hallway at the top of the stairs. If I look back down, you'll see we've got a Velux window facing east, and then a westerly dormer window overlooking the adjacent property, and that looks out onto the high street at Blakeney with the car park just to the right. Let's make our way into the principal upstairs bedroom. Family room this. We've put an extra single bed in here for families with kids that may be unsettled, particularly in an unusual property, and need the reassurance of just settling with mum and dad. Nice big upholstered French bed, twin bedsides, dressing table, small wardrobe, little seating area and chest of drawers. And off this bedroom, just to my left here, again a beautiful period, what's a modern pedestal bath, wash basin, WC and walk-in shower, all off this bedroom. So that's bedroom 1 upstairs, which is the largest and sleeps 2 to 3. Now back to the top of the stairs. If I turn left, we've got 2 additional bedrooms up here. Single with a double bed, so another small bedroom overlooking the garden. Just look at the sunlight streaming in through here. This looks down over the patio area and a private south-facing garden here at Blakeney. And then the final bedroom here is this large family room over-sitting the kitchen. An absolutely enormous, huge raised king-size bed with 2 singles either side of the passageway, again with dual aspect, one south facing overlooking the garden and one north facing overlooking down onto that courtyard and back towards the high street and the car park on the high street. Also on the back wall you've got a clever built-in wardrobe, mirror and chest of drawers and bedside cabinets with lamps either side of the main bed. So that concludes our guided tour of the facilities here at Gardener's Cottage. 5 bedrooms, 3 upstairs, 2 downstairs. Sleeps a total of 14, but over 5 bedrooms. And it's situated beautifully right in the heart of Blakeney, offering guests the possibility of parking the car up and enjoying the facilities here stress-free for a period, and gives you an advantage to walk to all the facilities on offer and available here in Blakeney on the North Norfolk coast. Thanks for watching.